Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you how to give a page access on Facebook. So you need to go to your page. You can see right here. So like once you'll go to your page, you need there would be option like switch now so that you can use your page. So you need to click on switch now. From there you need to go to professional dashboard. After going there, you can see to this left side. You can see page access. You need to click here and then from there you can see page with Facebook access. You can see add now on new, or maybe you can go with people with Facebook access, or then even you can go for people with task access, like task like if I talk about running ad, content moderation or content publishing or deletion or something like of your page. So make sure you are not at all going to give super admin access to anyone on Facebook until and unless that person is very close to you and you have given all the access, starting from deleting any post to removing even your page completely page. So whoever is going to work for your brand, or make sure to provide them access of just posting something or moderation of content or maybe running ad or analytics kind of thing. So what you need to do is, you can see it here, people with Facebook access. For this you need to click on add new. So here you can see, read everything nicely so that there would be no doubt. And if I talk about if I want to give access to somebody, let me guess one name. Let's go for Shikha. Okay, this you just need to write the, make sure that that person is added to your Facebook like account. Or even you can do one thing, you can provide them that you can use their Gmail ID, and from there you can provide them with access even if they are not at all in your friend list. So you can do it. So here if I want to give it to her, so there would be option like content and messages and calls, everything is there. So I need to, if I'll click here on full control, so it would be like, it will also include delete the page or remove anyone from the page or everything. But make sure that you are not at all providing such kind of access to anyone. Okay, so yeah, just wanted to talk about this thing. And for if you want somebody to provide that like task access, or say if you don't have that person in your Facebook list, so you can just go for people with task access, click there, add new, go here, just type the email ID, and then you can go for just randomly. Okay, let me write mine. You can see it right here. Once it is done, okay, you can easily search for it. I don't remember the Gmail ID, but once you'll write that email ID, and then you can go for it. And you can either you can give that access through your Gmail, like that person's email address, or you can directly go with this add new option and give, if that person is in your list, then you can easily give it to like that person. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to cover with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.